It's a marvel of engineering, 5 years in the making, inspired by new applications of the principles of thermodynamics and material science, new exacting performance standards, tightened tolerances, and retooled construction. We call it Thermapen ONE, the first true 1-second cooking thermometer. Its unprecedented speed means Thermapen ONE's responsiveness approaches the speed of thought. Because when you're plating the perfect menu or smoking the perfect side of barbecue, you don't have time to think about how your instant read thermometer is accurate to 0.5 degrees in 1 second or less, or how rugged and waterproof it is, or how big, elegant and bright the backlit display is. You'll just know it works, because our perfection powers your perfection. Seek perfection with Thermapen ONE.